Begin by removing the radiator from the vehicle and taking it to your bench. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance and step-by-step instruction on that procedure. It will also show you how to remove the assembly from the radiator. With the fan assembly off the radiator, remove the three 13mm nuts holding the fan to the shroud. Release the plastic clips, blue and yellow arrows holding the shroud together, and separate them. Separate the shroud, noting the positioning and routing of the electrical connector for the fan, red arrow. Note this for reassembly. With everything apart, you can remove the fan from the shroud. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.